Franconia, Arnold, Barnhart, Bourbon, Burns Mill. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Madison County, northern Monroe County, St. Clair County, northern Jefferson County, eastern St. Charles County, St. Louis County, St. Louis City, and east central Missouri until 8:45 p.m. At 7:59 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from St. Charles to Chesterfield to Eureka to Burns Mill and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Town and Country, Valley Park, Burns Mill, Creve Coeur, Des Peres, High Ridge, Bridgeton, Fenton, Frontenac, Murphy, Kirkwood, St. Anne, Olivet, Sunset Hills, Warson Woods, Ladue, Overland, Lambert Field, Woodson Terrace, and Glendale. This warning includes Castlewood State Park, Confluence State Park, First Missouri State Capitol Historic Site, Horseshoe Lake State Park, Mastodon Historic Site, Route 66 State Park, and Scott Joplin Historic Site. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although one is not immediately likely, if a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Jefferson, St. Charles, and St. Louis, and the following counties in Illinois: Madison, Monroe, and St. Clair, and the Missouri Independent City of